Willing to ride to the moon with XRP? XRP news, XRP price, XRP analysis. Hello, guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss XRP. But before we do any further, make sure to like the video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away. The ledger and consensus. The Ripple protocol is, at its core, a shared public database. This database includes a ledger, which serves to track accounts and the balances associated with them. The ledger is a distributed database of perfect, shared record of accounts, balances, and transactions in the Ripple protocol. It is continually and automatically updated by the Ripple Transaction Protocol, RTXP, so that an identical ledger exists on thousands of servers around the world. At any time, anybody can review the ledger and see a record of all activity on the Ripple protocol. When changes are made to the ledger, computers connected to the Ripple protocol will mutually agree to the changes via a process called consensus. The Ripple protocol reaches consensus globally within seconds of a change being made. The consensus finding process is the engineering breakthrough that allows for fast, secure, and decentralized transaction settlement on the Ripple protocol. The world's first distributed exchange. No one owns or controls the Ripple protocol. It runs on computers around the world, all working together to continually maintain a perfect, shared record of accounts, balances, and transactions. Distributed networks offer many efficiencies over centralized networks. Because the network is self-clearing, it eliminates the need for a centralized network operator and gets rid of the associated layer of fees. Because there is no single point of failure, distributed networks are more reliable. They also tend to be more secure, due to their open-source nature. And it is not possible to buy all cryptocurrencies in US dollars. Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other popular cryptocurrencies can be purchased with US dollars using Coinbase. Once you have purchased Bitcoin using Coinbase, you can then transfer your Bitcoin to an exchange such as Binance to purchase other cryptocurrencies, including XRP. Once one of the mainstays of the market top 5, XRP, at the time of writing, was ranked 7th in CoinMarketCap's charts. Thanks to its topsy-turvy price performance over the last few months and the performances of altcoins such as Polkadot and Cardano, the crypto is no longer among the market's top 5. Like the rest of the market, XRP too bore the brunt of corrections after Bitcoin dropped below $50,000. The altcoin fell by over 25% in 5 days. Over the last 3 days, however, the cryptocurrency seemed to be gaining some bullish momentum. In fact, on the hourly charts, XRP's hike was observed to be even more significant. However, at the time of writing, it was still difficult to predict whether the crypto would be able to sustain its movement north. On the contrary, XRP's indicators continued to flash bearish signals, as while the parabolic SARS dotted markers were well above the price candles, the awesome oscillator was still noting negative market momentum. With the legal status of XRP still up for debate in the United States, it is difficult to ascertain what the future has in store for the altcoin. XRP price gained significant value in the last few hours after the cryptocurrency posted a 25% jump within 30 minutes during the Asia session on March 1st. The world's 7th largest cryptocurrency now has a market cap of $28 billion. XRP jumped from 52 cents to 65 cents today after massive demand from retail investors. XRP has now erased all the losses it incurred after the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple in December 2020. Mary Jo White, the former chair at the SEC, told Fortune during an interview that the commission was dead wrong against Ripple, legally and factually. Ripple is currently facing the lawsuit filed by the SEC in December 2020 over the alleged sale of unlicensed securities in the form of XRP. Earlier this month, Ripple and the SEC said that a settlement is unlikely ahead of the expected trial. Finance magnates reported a massive jump in XRP price earlier this month after two major Reddit groups, r/Wall Street Bets and r/Satoshi Street Bets, started discussing XRP pump, and that resulted in huge retail demand for the digital asset. The price of XRP is up more than 180% since the start of 2021. The cryptocurrency has gained over 120% within the last 3 weeks. Anonymous XRP transactions have increased significantly since the start of this year. An unknown crypto whale moved 220 million XRP worth over $120 million recently from the crypto exchange, Coinbase. Ripple officially submitted its response to the SEC's lawsuit against the company in January 2021, and CEO Brad Garlinghouse mentioned that the company is ready to work with the new administration for clear cryptocurrency regulations in the country. Ripple has now registered as a business in Wyoming. According to the latest records of the Wyoming Secretary of State, Ripple Markets WY LLC is an active company in the region. Currently, there is a group of investors who have decided to take legal action against the SEC for their actions against Ripple. The group is looking for XRP to be classified as non-security. This lawsuit dives into how the SEC's knee-jerk reaction against Ripple has caused massive financial damage to innocent investors. There has been community speculation on if this is good or bad for Ripple's overall legal plan, but the cat is out of the bag. During this whole process, the price of XRP seems to have stabilized in the 0.20 to 0.24 cent price range. It's likely too early to call the bottom, but consolidation is taking place. A noteworthy mention is that the XRP long positions have skyrocketed. There is almost a 50-50 split in the community on if XRP is going to snap up to the 0.50 cent range or snap down to the 0.17 cent range to test the most important resistance level. At this point, I am moving forward with chip shot buys of XRP. In the long term, a 0.23 cent XRP will seem like the deal of the century regardless of the short-term outcome. I am expecting some bigger news to flow regarding the Ripple and SEC lawsuit in the coming weeks, and we will certainly cover that. Right now there are some interesting people in the Ripple/XRP community weighing in on the topic. Greg Kidd, a large Ripple investor, was interviewed and went into his thoughts on the matter. People should generally put aside the Twitter trolls and spend time listening to those who have an inside ear on what's going on in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. These connected people have real skin in the game, which makes for a more valuable opinion. Ripple built the XRP ledger to be fast and cheap to use, meaning that institutions that use it will incur far fewer costs, while enjoying instant cross-border funds transfer services. According to Ripple, the ledger can handle increased numbers of transactions as needed by the banks. The company goes on to say that the system will continue to be developed to boost speeds to handle hundreds of thousands of transactions, TPS. This is especially attractive to central banks, since they will be running numerous transactions with their CBDCs. Ripple claims that the private XRP is 61,000 times better in efficiency than other proof-of-stake public blockchains. This makes it less energy-intensive and much easier and cheaper to maintain. Also, every central bank will have access to its unique settings as per the country's policies and privacy needs. The company envisions a future where all CBDCs will have a common network that will ease cross-border transactions even more. Ripple plans to share more details about this venture at a later date. Ripple's XRP will need to avoid a fall through the $0.4703 pivot level to bring the first major resistance level at $0.5050 into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Ripple's XRP to break out from Thursday's high of $0.49431. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level and resistance at 51 cents would cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally, Ripple's XRP could test the second major resistance level at $0.5290 and resistance at the 23.6% FIB of $0.5320 pullback. Failure to avoid a fall through the $0.4703 pivot would bring the 38.2% FIB of $0.4632 and the first major support level at $0.4463 into play. Barring another extended sell-off, however, Ripple's XRP should steer clear of the second major support level at $0.4116. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time. Until then, goodbye.